how to send gift message in Instagram. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Instagram application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the home page of Instagram like this, from where you can explore to various news feed or the post. So in order to send a gift message, you need to first go to your message or the conversation box. For that, you have to tap on the message option in the right upper corner and you have to select the person to whom you want to send the gift message. Once you open the inbox, you'll be able to see the text box at the bottom from where you can send the message. Simply tap over there, and once you start to type the message, you'll be able to see the search bar next to the message. Simply tap over there, and here you'll be able to see the both types of gift message. So you have to select the gift one, and after that you can see the gift message has been sent. So this is how you send gift message in Instagram. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.